Welcome back to Rectrons. Today, we are looking at what might be the most critical car Elon Musk has ever greenlit. This is the 2026 Tesla Model Q. A compact crossover designed to take the fight to BYD and reclaim the electric throne. Is this just a shrunken Model Y, or is it the design revolution we've been waiting for? Let's find out. First, let's talk design. If you thought this was just going to be a hatchback Model 3, think again. The Model Q adopts a distinctly aggressive Coupe-SUV stance. Looking at the side profile, you see that sweeping roofline? It's much faster and sportier than the Model Y. It screams performance rather than just utility. Up front, Tesla has finally evolved its design language. Gone are the separate headlight pods we're used to. Instead, we have this stunning, continuous LED light bar that spans the entire hood. It gives the car a robotic, futuristic gaze, clean, mean, and incredibly aerodynamic. Notice the black cladding around the wheel arches and the side skirts. It gives it that rugged crossover capability, but it's grounded by these massive turbine-style alloy wheels. The contrast between the Stormtrooper white paint and the piano black accents makes this look significantly more expensive than its price tag suggests. Stepping inside, this is where the Model Q separates itself from the legacy lineup. Forget the floating tablet. The Model Q features a wraparound, pillar-to-pillar digital experience. The minimalism is still here, but it feels warmer. We have gorgeous warm-tone ambient lighting that traces the door cards and the dash, creating a floating effect. The materials look like a mix of sustainable textiles and carbon fiber textures, replacing the wood trim of the past. And look at that center console. Clean, functional, with dual wireless charging pads that seem integrated into the structure itself. It's an interior designed not just for driving, but for living in, especially as we move closer to full autonomy. Under the metal, the Model Q is rumored to be the first vehicle built on Tesla's revolutionary Unboxed assembly process. This isn't just about saving money, it's about efficiency. We expect the entry-level model to pack a 53 kilowatt-hours LFP, lithium iron phosphate battery. Why LFP? Because it's durable, cheap, and can be charged to 100% daily without degradation. Range. Expect a real-world range of 250 to 280 miles for the standard model. 0-60 miles per hour. Even the base single-motor RWD version should hit 60 inches under 6 seconds. Charging. With the 800-volt architecture rumored for this platform, 10% to 80% charging could take less than 15 minutes. Now, the question on everyone's mind: the price. Tesla has been chasing the $25,000 target for a decade. With the new manufacturing efficiencies, analysts believe the Model Q will start right around $25,000 to $30,000 before incentives. If they hit that number, this car doesn't just compete with EVs, it kills the gas-powered Corolla and Civic. Production is slated to ramp up late in 2026 at Giga Texas and Giga Mexico. If you want one, get your deposit finger ready, because the backlog will be historic. The Model Q looks like the car that brings the sexy back to affordable driving. It's sharp, it's tech-heavy, and it's accessible. But I want to hear from you. Is the new light bar design a hit or a miss? And would you choose this over a used Model 3? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this exclusive look, smash that like button and subscribe to Rectrons for more deep dives into the future of automotive. I'll see you in the next one.